Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to discuss about DFA, deterministic finite automata. So let me start with some important points regarding DFA. So the first point is, as we all know, DFA refers to deterministic finite automata It is called DFA if the machine is read an input string, one symbol at a time. Okay, so let me write second point. In DFA, there is only one path for specific input from the current state to next state. Okay, and the third point is DFA does not accept null move. Next point is DFA can contain multiple final state. So let me explain this with the help of an example. Let me draw one figure. This is the state Q0 here, and if we are receiving A from here, we are entering into a new state, and this is Q1, which is also our final state. Let me mark with this another color. Okay, so Q1 is our final state, and if we are receiving A from here, we are entering into our final state, and when we are into the Q0 state, and if we are receiving B, then we enter into another state, that is Q2. And if we are in Q1 state or our final state and we are receiving symbol A, then we enter into the same state, and same goes for 1 also. So we can write it as this. Okay, so let me explain first point. So we all know DFA refers to deterministic finite automata. It is called DFA if the machine is read an input string one symbol at a time. Okay, so if we are seeing here, then we can say that in the state Q0 and we are receiving A. Here A is the single symbol, and if we are receiving A, we are entering into the Q1 state, and if we are in Q0, we are receiving B. That is a single symbol also, and if we are receiving B, then we enter into a new state, that is Q2. Okay, so now we are moving to our next point. There is only one path for a specific input from the current state to the next state. Okay, so if we are going to Q1 from if we are going from Q0 to Q1, then there is a single path to go from Q0 to Q1, and if we are receiving A, then only we are going from the state Q0 to Q1. So this is a single path when we are going to Q0 from Q0 to Q1, and same goes for the state Q2 also. If we are in the state Q0 now, and we want to go into the state Q0, then we have to trace this path alone. There is no another path that then which by which we can go to the state Q0. Okay, and the next point is DFA does not accept null move. So this is a simple point, we can understand this. DFA can contain multiple final states. Okay, so DFA can also have multiple final state. I will explain this point into the next lecture. So thank you for watching this lecture. We'll meet into the next lecture.